Plumbers don't want you to know this brilliant trick for your drain because it can save you a lot of money. I'll show you exactly how it works now. All you need for this, in the first step, are lemons. These can even be a bit old, so you wouldn't want to eat them anymore. Now carefully cut the lemon in half and start squeezing it thoroughly. Because what we actually really need from the lemon is the lemon juice. Now ideally you should grab a medical syringe just like this one here. With it you can slowly start drawing up all of the lemon juice. I'll show you in a moment why it should be this particular syringe. We need 50 milliliters of lemon juice here. As soon as that is inside the syringe, we can make our way over to our drain. But we need to take a moment to properly prepare the drain beforehand, because you should incorporate one more ingredient right now, which is just regular baking soda. You should carefully pour approximately 2 tablespoons of this baking soda directly into your drain. Once you've got that in there, we'll need the syringe again. The advantage of the syringe is that you can use it to apply the citric acid directly into the drain. So press it in here and start pouring the entire 50 milliliters into the drain. You will immediately see and hear that the 2 ingredients start to react with each other. It will begin to foam up vigorously, and you'll also be able to hear it working very clearly. Now wait for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, as this allows the mixture time to work deep in your drain. Once this time is up, you should rinse it again with hot water to remove any remaining residue. Because the advantage here is that, with the help of citric acid and baking soda, you can really remove a whole lot of dirt from your drain. So if your drain wasn't flowing well before and the water took longer and longer to go down, it will now drain quickly and smoothly again. Plus, your drain now smells wonderfully fresh thanks to this mixture. And if you want to know how to make your old sink shine like new again, be sure to watch the video you now see on the screen. Just click on it